One Kafaneme, KK Sian, the my master. I have go na I have go. And I only topic walk on IGBia where could see dinner the society. But my master go on in the year was
Papa
yes, I found IG topic bia.
Yeah.
Yeah, go mana nka no gbasata youth. Echezona na if I dem program abu ife na eme n'ime ogbe. So you know onwe ga anya me the young me the old dumogo. Onwe nchopụta na nda na aka nka. Because this our older people today they feel young inside. Had amadi na had the old. Till feje me ife ha na emebu mgbe nwa.
Yeah, I
notice because I don't feel na people mana na nka.
And the point is that no young bona, young. That group why you notice no family if any rule, maybe no family entertainment in a favor. You will try to belong. Yes. Claim when you join. Anyone old in yeah.
So all of me welcome to Ifenemeni Mogbe. Ifenemeni Mogbe program or youthful program. I know leba I na kuzina za ndamala kwa za you know. What ya na da kale in good have a program ega mana ailu no to obasala everything atago. So topic gaji biatao nothing for something mindset among our youth. Ina funa abeno waketa onwezo echo choeta you know. Onyo na choko or wete nothing walu something.
Yeah.
So but my master, has he ever worked kind of, you know?
Well, you see, whenever I say nothing, and we to say take here.
Yeah.
Because I don't think there's anything that is nothing. There is something in that nothing. The only thing is what people will see it as. Let's say now it's not commensurate to if each or well.
Okay.
You are bringing something. Maybe if he were there, he will a bigger stuff. It's not worth that big stuff each or well. So talking of nothing to something, I would just say that nothing I know about is actually something. But what you are giving to get a bigger thing, or what you are hoping for in return for that nothing is just like saying na cup the half field no more if that thing each of the with that half field stuff on your if an account, right? So nothing is nothing.
Then Abiana, when it comes to you know our society today, so but even Abiana business sometimes I say you know put in little to gain more. Do you think it works?
That little, yeah, it works sometimes. Yeah? But most of the things are in a but out of greed, the little you are putting in, equals didn't expect something they close to that your little. You understand? Let's say no, you can do it. No, you know gala. Business in the gala, as in gain in the gala.
Egon the gala,
didn't expect. So you cannot be doing a business that is not like your capital. In a guy,
a month 1,000, not 1 million.
Yeah. That's something like that. He made 1,000, not 1 million. So EAG, if it's where Mali people say expect. So that's
so. If in a corner or that work for you to put in little and gain more.
That's what everybody wants. On our work, well, many people name me a so, but I don't think none our work which two people chair. Move for all propaganda can a promote here. And when you see something sound so beautiful that eating a 5 naira and a with 1 million, that's all you can say do my God, do on wagi for the career. So other work which are like that.
So other now work. coming down to Ndana Chacha. You know, because they might not even 100 naira, not target to
yeah. You see, oh yeah, from nothing to something.
But what's in
Do you know that what they've invested? Oblo na wakola onye ego to ego since oji we bido gbawa chacha. Ofukwa na and nke ọka ya atụ ya after ka o win that one. Ofukwa na ndo chacha ka o na-ebi. Agbakola ya time a o tinyego that time ya o ji eje agba the chacha. The time the chacha na occupy na the head. Agbakola ya o ya afụ na onya wa na lose. That money o chere no big stuff again. It's actually not what if o tinyego so far.
So but if gambling.
Yeah.
Okay, my gambling.
Yeah.
What is be our list anyway? So, but why is it permitted? Why age rap here sporty bet? Why prediction? But still, this is still gambling.
Yeah, because but they say it's not fun to some people, and they even 18-year age limit to it. Like you cannot do it if you're not below. Or maybe gambling. Okay. Or you cannot do it if you're not below 18 years. So that you know fully well that this is what you are going into. If you are going to put your money for this kind of thing, you know these people pay tax. And they remit part of that your money to the government. You understand? So this is just like government allowing something that they know that only implication. Because they are making something out of it. After all, cigarette, you cannot say any good thing about cigarettes. But it's allowed. It's somebody's business. Yes, the government is making something out of it. Even alcohol, something wonderful about it. Even though now we're about positive sides. But government is making something out of it. So most times when they are making money from these things, they allow it. And they will only put age limit. Say that you have to be up to 18 years. So that if you decide to commit something, as in to take your life by yourself, you will know that you are giving yourself, as in you've put everything into it and you've concluded on your own that you want to take your own life. So that's up to you. That's what the government is doing now. What I am saying is that gambling is not nothing to something, but it has some negative effects on the people, which the government is ignoring because they are making something out of it. So that's my submission.
Submission but let's dive in more because you know now can a society prosper? You know, can a society prosper with a big rate of their youth engaging in gambling? Kind of what's the future of a society? Everybody, most of the youth now
you know all these countries with Premier League, and so many, even in US, and gambling with boxing. You understand? People injure themselves on other people's bets. You understand? So if you check all these things, are they not progressing? They are. The only thing is that they are trying to create engagement. Engagement is value currently in the world. Okay. Once you can create something that people will make out time, put their energy, in fact, engage in those things, you've created value. So all those things that they are doing, they've created value. The only thing is that no way negative implications on the people. So if you check Premiership, most of the persons in a back on a field, match, or just that the It's like there's Joshua, this boxer,
Anthony Joshua,
and all the fights on them. You see that people put in money. Is it not gamble? It's gamble. But the thing is that there are some people who make their money and choose how they want to spend it. While doing those things, they may believe they are having fun and stay working for more money.
Okay, now how can we positively direct, all these games to our benefit?
Yeah, to me now.
Because from what you are saying, our time then a positive part, and all the possible now, if a society engage their youth in such act that the society are going quite. So now let's
take some of them away from crime.
Okay.
You see gambling.
Or even bring. I don't master what about it because remember that you are putting in money.
Yeah.
And whoever no go itinye will turn his or her face to able to that money to invest.
Okay, let me tell
meaning
you.
that it can even be a cause of crime too.
Yeah, let me tell you, the major cause of crime, but comfort, desire for comfort. Then addiction, secondly. You see, most of the people that do crime, they don't go out to bed. You can talk of people that pickpocket or all those things. Most of the people that do crime don't go out to bed. Most of the people that do crime, they are not fanatic to most of these things we are talking of.
Why?
Why? Because they live a kind of life, they want to be on their own. They don't want you to know their next plan. They don't want you to know anything about them. So they want to be on their own and manage their resources, whatever they've gotten from the crime. You can either see them in clubs, where they
squandering the same resources they are trying to manage.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Where they go, drink, do whatever, then see who their next target will be most times. So if you talk of people that go to bed, you see that these are people that are hopeful, that they want to make the money, but not from crime. People that want to make it from crime, if you want to talk of bandits, they don't do bets. You won't even catch them in the field. You feel all these people that let me not use headsmen, but I know people that do this kind of thing, the kidnappers. You can't catch them going to have fun, that kind of fun. Most times when you see people like that, they are always on their own, calculating their next move, because what they are doing involves their life. So they don't want to make mistakes.
So the master, how can now government, what will government introduce to the youth that can improve? Because in if you check, you will see that we are always copying the foreign world, the Westerners. Yes, sorry. Now and then most of the jobs I now look with our Westerners a Westigo machine. Now lawyer, even I saw the other day, a 3D printing of house, cement. So you don't have to start using shovel, and then if now our youth now, nobody wants to go through that kind of stress and hard process to get things done. Everybody wants butela any machine, and it is affecting us more because then when some fields here, you will be looking for laborers, a manful. So now, how can we address KFAG now?
You know, one of the things that I see as something very positive about the time that we are in now is that this is the time where visibility is the king. Visibility is the king. This thing you said about the machine that prints house, if it's not well publicized, people will not know about it. Now, what people are doing and what government is doing that is in line with how to grow is that this media, the new media that we have now, is kind of taking away publicity or maybe visibility from the mainstream. This new media is creating jobs which the government should support in every way. All this live streaming, all the things that people do now, you can have one person online engaging up to 1,000 persons. You see the eyes watching the person.
Engaging those
will be up to 1,000.
When you were that one person engaging thousands of people. Is it that those people only engage are jobless and those even
most times
because they need data? They need data to even watch the host.
These are the people that can afford the data. They are the people watching, not people who need it. People who have it. Now, for you to have it, it means you have done something to make the money that you use to buy the data. It means you know that this thing is going to be the next money yielding biz that is involved. It means you have interest in that thing and you want to toe the line of the person you are watching, something like that. So if you see in the media, I think somebody, I show speed, I guess.
I show speed. Ogbe, Nigeria.
Yeah, streaming in Nigeria. You see how most of the people out there are people who are content creators and streamers too. They came to engage, maybe tap for visibility and promote themselves too.
are you saying everybody should become a streamer?
What
because I wonder how
this thing is taking people away from crime. The online, there are so many things you can do. Some people say that AI will take people's job, just like what you're saying now, the machine that prints house. But these things are not going to take anybody's job. People are changing, evolving into the new jobs that are going to trend in coming years. So what I am pointing out is that those people you think are jobless, once they can afford data, they've done something to make the money they are using to buy data. There are some of them that the internet, the media house they are working with are paying already. Let's say there are some people on YouTube, some people on Facebook that are making small money. And from the small money they are making, they will see buy data. I heard someone saying that the landlord has been smiling with her for some time because she told the landlord that she's been monetized on Facebook. You understand? So people are now beginning to understand that it's not only when you work hard that you make money. If you work smart too, you can as well make money. And now in this country, making that hard currency matters too. And people are making it. If you check what's happening, you will see that some people, this Jackpot syndrome, the people traveling out, even when they get there, they will realize that it's even better to work online. Some of them are even doing more online than they are doing practically there. So, because it's still the same hard currency that people are making there, that the ones back in Nigeria here are making through the internet. So what I am saying in essence is that government should do more to allow people use the internet space. Like if there's anything to teach them, you teach them, guide them on how to create seminars where people will learn things like this and know how to make money from online.
The Maya Master, in as much as you are saying the government should, give people access to internet, maybe cheaper internet and so on and so on. And don't forget that the government should also deny some people access to, because we have offline jobs. Who are going to do the offline ones? Because if everybody goes online, can you just
even the people doing the offline jobs, they're also online. Sometimes you advertise your offline job with your online presence. You understand? So if you use B-Lord, for instance, I think he's selling something now. Those things he has to sell, he's advertising them online. You understand? So if you check it, you see that these things cannot work separate. They work together. Most of the people
means
that
if you are online, you have to be offline too.
You definitely you are offline too, because your physical person is offline. Then you are engaging online. Yeah, so it's even creating jobs for people who, let's say, physically challenged, who can actually stay one place and reason, then do something. So I think this thing is something we are yet to tap fully into. So there are so many things untapped in the field, and we need to think more of that direction.
So coming back to
the question,
the topic, you said giving small to gain big.
Yeah.
So now, giving that small, and where do we have a business? Anybody can put in a little to gain big. Do you have any idea?
Yeah, I do. I do. Then what I'll say is that it depends on what you call small.
Okay.
To me, I can point out businesses that you give your time. You give your time to the business and you make big money.
You give your time to
your time.
Learning.
Yeah, and you make big money. Let me talk of my own line of business, for instance.
Okay.
Yeah? I'm into water engineering, everything about water.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So, and I've had time to study water behavior, study aquifer level, then so many things that are related to water.
Yeah.
Underground source of water, and how you can maintain your pathway to the underground source. So all these things, I know that water is something that everybody
needs.
So if you can, like for myself, I put in nobody can shortchange me, because I know how much I charge. If I want to charge you, I charge you exactly the amount I know that is worth my time. You understand? And when you pay me, that amount is enough. Yeah.
For you to deliver the work.
Yeah, for me to deliver the work. If you want someone cheaper, there are so many other cheaper people outside there. And you are paying them.
Yeah. Police.
Yeah, you are paying them according to. So a recent incident, somebody collected money from a property owner that he was going to give the person water. That was the outright word.
When you don't even know how far the aquifer of the area you are promising water.
Not knowing that this giving somebody water, the water that you are going to give the person is the water that is in the person's property. You are not going to bring water from somewhere else
and come and put it there.
You understand? So this is just like giving somebody, being a driller, kind of. I want to say this to most of the people listening that are drillers. You don't know that your job is just like clearing the pathway to stream.
Talk to them. Talk to them on camera.
Clearing the pathway to stream.
Yes.
If you are going to clear pathway to stream and somebody is paying you
to do that,
I want to go to the stream, but there is no road to that stream.
Yeah.
You charge the person. I will clear the pathway to the stream. Bam, you pay me. There is a disclaimer, but I'll talk of that one later.
Yeah.
So when I clear that pathway and you get to the stream and there's no water at the stream, you don't need to hold me.
Yes.
Because
it's not your fault.
What I charged you for is to clear the pathway to the stream. People will go and buy land where there is no enough water. Like in Enugu has water challenges, like their city now, the main town. If you buy land there and somebody is coming to promise you, oh, I will give you water. I'll give you water. So that person, is the person going to bring the water from Anambra to Enugu to give you? No, the water is going to come from your property.
What is the essence of soil test?
Soil test, geophysical survey.
Yes,
it's going to tell you, there is water here. Yeah. And this is the depth that you are going to go and you see water. Sometimes they will not go extra to tell you about the sustainability of that water. They will just tell you there is water there. And when you get there, you notice that the water is not sustainable. You try to flush it and you notice the challenges there. So I'm just like telling you about what you said concerning a business that can give you money. It's going to give you real money. If you know much
it requires
about it.
A lot of stress, manpower.
The manpower and if you are the person that has the know-how, not the manpower side, you know what it's going to take to put this thing together and get water. You are going to
that is the working smart.
Yeah.
Do you know why I have problem with all these promoters of working smart? Because at a point that working smart. It's clear to me that working smart is getting somebody doing a job you are collecting a bigger share of. Because somebody needs to deliver the job. That's how.
But most times you engage machines, not just
even if you are engaging machines, somebody needs to operate the machine.
Yeah, the operator of that machine is making money commensurate to his own time.
But you are not the operator. You are just there to monitor
the idea. Yeah. You see Dangote Cement now. The highest shareholder there is making the biggest money, right?
Yeah.
Or is he the one loading the trucks?
He's working smart.
But the people, he's working smart. The people loading those trucks are making money that is commensurate to their time.
Master, is he not? Let's just summarize it. Where my monkey they walk, babu they chop. Just be the working. The babu is working smart.
No. Because do you know why I will say no? Okay. If you don't have that job, you will still need to go get a job.
Okay.
If you're smart enough to create and direct, you make more. But if you have only labor, your strength to offer, you make less. This is just the truth. So
are you not trying to discourage those that already feel?
What I am trying to tell them is to develop their heads. Human capital development is very important. Okay. Develop your head so that someone will not, a job ordinarily, let's say I charge you for drilling, I charge you like 5 million naira for drilling, and another person comes to say, oh, 2 million naira. Then you decide to pay the person. At the end of the whole thing, you'll have problem with that person. You saved me a lot. Let's say the person tried the work and maybe because of how much you paid him, he could not get good materials to deliver the job. In fact, you've promoted me indirectly. Because next time, you tell yourself that, oh, if I had given this job to this person, he would have done better. Then you pay me more if you have another job, and I will give you the best materials to deliver the job. You understand? It's because of how that person was thinking. If you think you don't have anything to offer, you offer all you have without getting anything in return. There are people that will go to somebody's house, clean it, do this, hoping that the person is going to give them something. At the end. And
that same thing, somebody is charging 1 million or more for to clean, to do the same job.
Yeah, after doing it, the person will give you peanuts, just concluding that your time is not worth much.
Okay.
So that's what I'm trying to point out. So there are businesses, going back to the question you asked, there are businesses that can pay you very well while you don't. Sometimes when I talk, people will be like, so you are this civilized and you are doing this kind of job. And I will say, I coordinate alcohol. You should know about that. I am the coordinator of alcohol registered for as the country is now. So I can virtually do almost anything that people can do with hand. Just give me time, I will learn it. And when I learn it, if I present what I know to you, you pay me more. Because definitely I will present it in a way that you will see that this person knows what he is doing. You know the theoretical side, then you know the practical. Anything I can send somebody to do for me, any job I can send somebody, oh, do this, I am the director, do this, do this. I should be able to do it myself in case that person fails. You understand? So these are ways to develop yourself, human capital. So going back to the making something from nothing, like I said earlier, there's nothing I call nothing.
Yes. Ogbe transport fare.
You put something. Even those people that go to bet, they put 100 naira and expect 1 million or 10 million.
Yes.
You understand? You put something. Even their time, they put their sanity self, their mental health online. So there are so many things involved. The only thing is that people are underpaying people in this country. That's one truth.
So why?
Yeah, when I told my workers, okay, this is something you go out and you do this, they pay you this amount. I don't want, all of you, even the person, the apprentice within them, you have to make more than minimum wage. Yeah, because I know that your time you're putting in, after putting it, you have to eat. You have to go home. Yes, you have to smile. Even your happiness within the job, when you are working, depends on how much you are making from the job. I think it was a very dark man that said it the last time. How can you pay somebody 80,000 and give the person gun to be your security? You see that you have to be happy while working. And what's going to make you happy is how much you are going to take home after the job. So making something from nothing does not work, but from the little you are doing, be able to present what you know. And another thing, be sincere when you deliver. Don't rush, because if you get this, get that, and at the end of the whole thing, you see you make a lot of mistakes. And when you make those mistakes, they will go back to your name. Yeah, people will say, oh, that one that used to collect money and not deliver after you. Or you'll be going to police. I went to bail somebody the other time, I told you. So what did the person do? Fake promise. You promise you give somebody water, and at the end of the day, you couldn't give the water. How will you promise that? So that's my submission.
You've heard it from Maya Master. You don't promise what you can't give, or what is not even within your power
to give,
to determine. Okay, we are going for a short break. If we'll be back, we'll continue. Stay tuned with us. Hey, Amazmia. welcome back from this short break. I'm in a join a program if any Ogbe and where find that Kali. No, a youthful program in Olani in Amuta. I get the update. I see the hot. Come a try in Ozialo. Select young Kaya try and walk, you know.
Yeah, of course.
So, my master, back to our topic, you know. Giving in nothing, expecting more, or giving in little and expecting big. So, ask him if you are to select or choose, because when it comes to building this value, you say, and where you create, and where and then when they need distribute, another car, and where companies, factories, then when they are sellers and they hire at a shop, then where things you can do, services you can render, things you can do with your hand. Yeah. So now in these two categories, I prefer and why, you know?
Like production and marketing.
Buying and selling or rendering services and why?
Well, I will choose services over and over again. Okay. Then do you know why I wouldn't talk much of buying and selling? Buying and selling, sometimes you'll be waiting for someone you don't know whether the person is coming or not. If you go to main market, sometimes when I go to main market and look at people, how some of them will be playing Ludo or draft, waiting for customers. If you are passing safe, they will be holding you, like come and buy from me, something like that. Why? Because they need to sell. And sometimes when they don't sell, they will still need to eat that day. And they will still need to come out the next day.
But is it not
transport?
Is it not the same thing with you that choose rendering services? Are you going to render the service to yourself, or how do you drag the people you render those services?
See why I say that I will choose services. You know, most times services will not take you capital. Most times you will not have to put in capital. But if you put in capital in your business and you are eating every day, somehow the expenses, the expenses is going to affect your capital. But when you are rendering services, like myself, I render services. When you are rendering services, whatever you make is your money, and you can save for rainy days. Yeah, those low times in the business, you save for them. And another thing, when you are rendering services, you'll be able to create alternative sources of income. Let's say the kind of job I do, after I decide to open a farm, set up a farm, because I render services. You know,
and you have time, you know.
When you are down, like you want to go to hospital, you have your time. To yourself. And someone that has shop
and you can do the monkey they walk and babu the shop concept. That is working smart.
Working smart. That's just it. But what I would say, if you are able to package your brand very well, and it's something that people are okay with, they will pay you more. I've always said it. And you may not necessarily do the monkey they walk, babu they shop something. You pay your workers well. And people will like to work with you. And you are collecting well too. The money you're
that means you'll be charging your client big.
Yeah, because you want to pay the people that are going to deliver the job big too.
But and you want to it's because you're a good it's because you have a good heart. Because then when they are charged quite big, still distribute qua peanut. So imagine because
those people, and you know the implications of those things will reflect in their business. The outcome of the services, you will see it. When you are not paying your workers well, there are some things mistakes they will see, they will not tell you. There are some things that will come up, they will just do it, this stingy man, something like that. So it has effect, and sometimes they will speak ill of you behind you.
The master, I believe this thing we are saying, this thing you are saying now, it depends on the person.
The person
involved. So because over there and corner peanut, it's both mad, Oh, if you have business, go ahead. Me na put the acha. So on you decide ime because na obura about the payment, because if you learn that you've not been paid or fed well,
Yeah,
do you understand?
Do you know that people bust plans? People bust evil plans because of how good the person planned against has been to them one time.
Is a personal thing,
It's not
or because of that you paid them higher
thing.
or stuff
It's not
like
a personal thing. Let me tell you why. It's the human mind works in certain way. There's a kind of person, how good someone will be to you. And what you will do, whenever you see people talk ill of that person, you will tell them, no, this person is not like that. Yeah, because the person is. But when you are not good, that person will have reasons to even bring his own account of you to the people talking ill.
But I think.
So I also consider the
yeah.
side you are going.
Yeah.
That some people are generally bad, but this is just a fraction of the people involved.
Yeah.
That's it.
So, Udanuge from the My Master himself, was say, do good and be good. Alright, just do good and be good. Create value, more value for yourself. Your business, add their value there, because that's what will attract more money.
Yeah, that's
you know,
it.
Self,
Human
capital development. You know,
Yeah.
always bombard yourself with a lot of knowledge and stuff like that.
Yeah, if you're equipped, man, if you're equipped in life with what you know, like you know enough to make money, there's no reason you will not make it.
All right, so if you've not started, we don't have to equipped but goes, you know, yeah. Only one guy in TikTok, he on a blue camera chadogi. I say, yeah, that is, he will oh yeah, already.
Yeah, but if you don't want to give him, you will tell him now. Oh yeah, Baroga can we pay lolum. On the lolum.
Anyway, you can follow us on all social media. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, we are everywhere. And if you only feel where you got 25, so you have your comment section, you have the comment section there. It's in your you know, or we are all about improvement, value, and progress.
Yeah, I still want to add something, you know, from this thing, nothing to something. I know that most times when we talk about this kind of topic, people who
oh, and then I walk it.
Bamba,
we are not.
Yeah. There are some people that will feel that you are only fooling yourself.
Federal government, you know, farmer go on the street.
Yes.
Anyway, there's this post I saw on Facebook. I say, in this recent time, and you give birth to a child, and that your child grow up and believe that then we're a system that gives you money from maybe
disgusting.
A man, you failed as a person.
Course.
Because all the obvious no other work. So, madam, one day kind of single. The mama say, a topic for another day. We'll have it to discuss. See you next time, same station, same time.